Hey guys, the purpose of this video is to show you how to start every single one of your projects. So the first thing you're going to do is go to Foundations in Computer Graphics and obviously go down to the assignment that we're working on. For this assignment, we'll just start with the very first one, which is graffiti. And every time we do a new assignment, we are going to want to create a new folder. So you're going to go over here to your desktop and right click or control click. You're going to click new folder, and the folder is going to be called whatever you are working on. Again, for the purpose of this demo, we're going to go with graffiti because that's the first assignment up there. And this is where you're going to keep everything so you don't lose it. You're going to keep your examples in here, you're going to keep your projects in here, and maybe multiple versions of your projects in here. So first thing you want to do is go to the project and create a folder on your desktop with the title of the project that you're working on. The next thing you're probably going to want to do is gather some images. You're either going to need images for examples, just to kind of lay out, almost like sketch your page, or you're going to want to get images to actually use and manipulate. And I'm going to show you the difference between the two. So, for example, in graffiti, we are going to be asked to find some lettering that we like and create some sort of style and have some sort of theme. So the other day, I happened to be doing some research on my last name of Young and found out it was of Scottish descent. So I'm going to look up Scottish lettering because we are working on graffiti. And if I just look up Scottish lettering, I can click images, and I'm going to get all these different type of Scottish lettering. Now, if I just need to look at it, these are fine. So I want to click on this and click on view image until I get the biggest image. I want to take this image and drag it over into my folder because, again, this stuff is free. You can grab as much stuff as you like and delete as much stuff as you like. What you do not want to do is click on these little guys and drag these little guys over. Alright, you do not want to do that because these are called thumbnails and they're way too small for us to use. So I could go through here, click a couple of these, click on view image, grab this guy, and go ahead and put him in there. Now, if I actually wanted something to use in my graffiti that was of high quality, so I actually wanted it and I was going to use it and not just look at it. So for example, the Scottish has a lion, so I'm going to look that up. And I would like to use this image. So what I would like to do is go to Tools, Size, Large. Now these images are going to be high quality and high resolution, and I think you'll see the difference here in a second. So if I click on this lion, can't use that one, it's got a watermark on it. So I'm going to have to move over here. Let's try the blue one. Alright, no watermark. View image. You can see how big and crisp and clear, and I even have another magnifying glass. I'm going to click on it one more time, and that is the biggest image I can get possible. I'm going to drag that into my folder, and now I have a lion that is real high quality that I can use in my project. Alright, so that is how we are going to start up our project, guys. Every single one, you will go to the blog, you will find the assignment, you will create a folder that is named the assignment you're currently working on. If you need images just for reference, click and choose as many as you want, but do not click the tiny little ones. Make sure you get the larger ones. And if you need an image to use in your picture and you want it high quality, you're going to click Tools, Size Large, and remember to click on your image until you get the biggest image.